fourth runner-up for Miss Ilocos Norte is no other than Paoay!
Miss Paoay, Maria Pamela Elena Agurita. Maria Pamela Elena Agurita, presenting our Professor Arsenio Gallego. Marian Abigail Pagbilao, fourth runner-up, Miss Ilocos Norte 2022. Attorney Jether Corpus. Our fourth runner-up shall be receiving 10,000 pesos worth of gift of services courtesy of MD Glow. JBL speaker from High Factor, Share Tea. 3,000 pesos worth of gift certificate from Share Tea and a scholarship grant to be presented by Mr. Will Sipat of Ilocos Norte Youth Development Office.
It's time to name our third runner-up. And our Miss Ilocos Norte 2023 third runner-up is Miss Badoc.
Miss Badoc, Samantha Jane Aganon. Presenting are Leo Almador, Alia Gwyn Ramos, Romero of Batak, Miss Gazini Ganados, our Miss Universe Philippines 2019, and Will Sipat of Ilocos Norte Youth Development Office. Our third runner-up shall be receiving JBL speakers from High Factor, a gift certificate worth 3,000 pesos from Share Tea, mobile spa services, and 10,000 pesos worth of services from MD Glow.
And then we were down to 3. The drama is getting more intense, ladies and gentlemen. So let's meet this year's second runner-up. Our Miss Ilocos Norte second runner-up is Miss Bacarra.
Miss Bacarra, Mariela Bianca Ako. Presenting our Axel Peng. Feby Kate Ballesteros, Nicole Borromeo, Binibining International 2022, Nico Casabuena, and Mr. Will Sibat. Our second runner-up will be receiving JBL speakers from High Factor, a gift certificate worth 5,000 pesos from Share Tea, mobile spa, 10,000 pesos worth of services from MD Glow, and a scholarship grant, courtesy of the Ilocos Norte Youth Development Office.
Okay. This is it, everyone! Eto na! Okay. Ito na! Pupunta na tayo sa exciting part! I know! Ladies, can you take center stage?
Please move to center stage, Miss
Dingras and
Dingras.
Solsona, please
And Miss
move forward.
Solsona, please move to center stage.
And hold hands.
Hold hands.
And pray to win. Wow. And the battle has gone down to 2. One of these ladies is about to become Miss Ilocos Norte 2023. So who is it gonna be?
Is it the lady from Dingras? is it the lady from Solsona?
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
So just to let you guys know, in any eventuality, our first runner-up will take over in case our new queen will fail to discharge her duties as Miss Ilocos Norte 2023. So ladies, good luck. I'll announce our first runner-up. Okay? Again, I will announce the first runner-up. And our Miss Ilocos Norte 2023 first runner-up is Miss Solsona!
And your new Miss Ilocos Norte 2023 is no other than Miss Dingras.
Miss Solsona is Kate Winslet Villa, presenting our Vice Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos, Chita Rivera, Sofia Nurin Guillermo, Tracy Murin Perez, Will Sibad, and Miko Casabuena. First runner-up shall be receiving Samsung A23 from High Factor, 8,000 pesos worth of gift certificate from Sharety and Mobile Spa, and 10,000 pesos worth of services from MD Globe. A scholarship grant courtesy of Ilocos Norte Youth Development Office. Miss Ilocos Norte, presenting the prizes and the awards. Christine Keith Alawa, Governor Matthew Marcos Manoto, Gazini Ganados, Will Sibad, Miko Casabuena. Our Miss Ilocos Norte shall be receiving 2 round-trip tickets in any PAL regional route, courtesy of Philippine Airlines. 10,000 pesos worth of services from MD Globe, Samsung A34 from High Factor, and Sharety gift certificate worth 10,000 pesos. And our scholarship grant from the Ilocos Norte Youth Development Office.
And your new Miss Ilocos Norte 2023 is no other than Miss Dingras!
Congratulations, Miss Dingras! Miss Dingras, please take your first walk as Miss Ilocos Norte 2023! Miss Dingras, please take your first walk as Miss Ilocos Norte 2023. And congratulations also to all of our runners-up and our candidates. They did a job well done. And once again, congratulations to Miss Dingras, our new Miss Ilocos Norte 2023.